Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am going to be doing something a little different than what I normally do, which I usually just talk about, regular Amazon finds or skincare, makeup, things like that. I don't normally do stuff about nails and feet on my channel, and I am doing something new here. And the reason why is, of course, it's springtime, summer is approaching really soon, and I need to get these bare feet, nasty feet taken care of so that I can wear my strappy heel sandals, my strappy sandals. I just got myself some really cute ones for my birthday that I want to wear, but my feet are not looking their best. So I went ahead and got this off of Amazon. This is going to be Wonder Pedi by MedActive. It is the quick fix callus removal system. So this has a special spray with lots of AHAs, a glycolic acid, salicylic acid in it. It has pomegranate and eucalyptus. So it gives a really nice sort of herbal smell to it, sort of like a lemony smell to it. So your feet smell nice, they're moisturized, they're hydrated, they're baby soft. And of course, the most important part of this is removing the calluses very easily without much effort at all, and then nice and gently at the same time. So perfect way to give yourself a real pedicure from home instead of just trying to dry pumice your feet to death. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut on over to my feet, and then we're going to show you how to use this and then talk about before and after. So keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to take the spray. Just like that. You can just do one spray if you want to. I don't know why, I just really love spraying this stuff on. So I'm going to go a little crazier, I guess. And then you're going to use the rough side here to go ahead and go back and forth to get the calluses off. And then of course you can use the smoother side to just remove any excess skin that is there. And then you're just going to let it sit for about 1 minute. 1 minute gives the chance, just like with your skincare for your face, it gives the chance for the spray to go deep down into your skin and start that process with those AHAs to start removing the skin. So this is what it's going to be like, and then you just get started. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and forth on my foot and kind of arch your foot a little bit. Makes it a little easy for you to get in there and remove. And you're just going to go really slowly, or just back and forth, and you guys will see that's pretty gross, right? We have a lot of yucky skin coming off. Look at that. Ew, right? Not the nicest thing to watch someone do, but it at least shows you how effective the Wonder Pedi system is. And of course, now I'm going to go over here to where this really bad crack in my foot is. Keep in mind, I'm pretty much barefoot all the time since I was a child. I don't know why I love to be barefoot. I'm just one of those people. Some people like to have shoes on and socks on all the time. I like to be barefoot. That's just the way it is for me, guys. Everyone's different. Everyone has their opinions on the subject, but it does come at a price, and the price is I get calluses very easily. I'm going to have to take really good care of my feet so they can look nice, so that I can also keep going around barefoot. That there is so much skin, and then you can just take this soft side here and then just kind of wipes off the excess skin. And when you're done with this, you're just going to go and rinse it with water or take a wet towelette. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and see how those feet turned out. Nice and smooth. So if you guys liked my video, please make sure to, of course, thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to have lots of Amazon find videos to talk about, and beauty and skincare. So many different things to talk about. So if you guys did like that, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to try and upload more and more videos. And if you were looking to do a pedicure at home, I hope that you enjoyed my Wonder Pedi video and that it helps you to understand how to use the product and how efficient it is. And make sure to check out the link in my bio, where I will, of course, have the link directly to the product page on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.